Demasking is always challenging. Picking the right time. You don't have to do it too early. You don't have to be too late. You can peel off the adjacent finish and you've got to do your job again. It's always crucial. Sometimes you use like a scalpel Stanley knife just to cut around between the adjacent finishes and the actual protected area. Then you do like some fine snagging with really small artistic brushes just to get that line straightened if you have to. So it is challenging. Yeah, I believe it was 5 times quicker than the normal brush or roller application. It's marvelous what we can do with spraying. I think there's a lot to be done in terms of spraying in the UK in particular. The quality obviously is second to none.